Creating 30 days worth of Instagram Reels sounds time-consuming. But once you understand this system, you can do everything in just a few minutes. Most people are stuck creating content one by one when you could be automating the entire process inside Canva. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to batch create 30 Reels using a simple template and Canva's bulk create feature. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a full month of content ready to go. So let's jump right in. First, we need your content. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a set of 30 short quotes based on your niche. Then ask it to put it on a CSV file. Once you have that, go to your Canva account. On the left-hand panel, click Create and set your size to a vertical format like 1080 by 1920, which works perfectly for Instagram Reels. Before we continue, quick heads up. We're currently giving away free membership access on this channel. As a founding member, you'll get 15 Canva templates every month for free, plus you'll have the ability to vote on what content we create next. There are only 20 slots available, so if you're interested, make sure to check that out before they're gone. To join in, just check out the pinned comment down below. With your blank canvas ready, head to Elements and search for any scenery or background video. The goal is to choose something you can reuse across all your posts. Add it to your canvas and resize it to fill the entire frame. After that, place a rounded square shape on top of the video. Adjust the color and lower the transparency to create a soft overlay so your text stands out while keeping the background visible. Then add a text box in the center. This is where your quotes will go. Keep the font clean and readable. At this point, you've created your master template. Here's where things speed up. Go to Apps on the left-hand panel and open Bulk Create. Upload the CSV file you created earlier. When I first started using Canva, I used to just drag random elements onto the canvas and hope it looked good. Sometimes it worked. Most of the time it didn't. I didn't really understand why some designs looked clean and others felt messy. It honestly felt like I was stuck, like I wasn't improving even though I was practicing. That's exactly why we created these beginner-friendly Canva assets. These are designed to help you level up your designs faster while actually understanding what you're doing. Instead of guessing, you start recognizing which elements work, what combinations look good, and what people usually use in real designs. So if you want to stop feeling lost, save time, and finally improve your design skills with confidence, just click the link in the pinned comment down below and start seeing results as soon as you receive your assets. Once it's loaded, click on your text box, select Connect Data, and choose the column with your quotes. Click Continue, and Canva will automatically generate multiple pages, each with a different quote. From here, you can quickly review everything, make small adjustments if needed, and add simple animations to turn them into engaging reels. When everything looks good, click Share, then Download, and export them as MP4 if you added animations. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And just like that, you've created 30 days of Instagram Reels in just a few minutes. If you want to stay consistent without spending hours creating content every day, this is one of the simplest systems you can start using. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.